Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I have created this soft brown eye look. It's super easy, so let's get started. The very first step is using MAC paint pot. I am using MAC paint pot in the shade soft ochre. It's an eye base. You can use any eye base like concealer or any other eye base you have. So I'm starting with lightest brown shade from the palette. I'm using Sultry Palette from Anastasia, and I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm packing the light brown shade all over my crease. Now you can see it's a very light brown shade, that's why I'm going slowly in to and fro motions, and I will repeat the shade again and again. So using the light brown color really gives a nice base to my eye so that I can start with more darker tones. So next I'm going in with the darker shade, which is Distopan from the palette, and I'm using the same brush and I'm just blending the the darker shade in my outer corner of eye using an eye tape as a reference. So if you have an eye tape or any doctor tape, if you put it on your eyes, it really helps to give that angle. Finally, I'm using a dark black shade from the palette. It's a matte shade, and I've taken a small brush. I was looking for a small blending brush, but I couldn't find, so I went with the small flat brush. So I'm just packing the black shade starting from my outer corner and bringing it towards my middle of the eye. And you can see I'm doing in very slow motions because it's a small dense brush. If I do it harshly, it will leave a lot of patchiness on my eyes. So yeah, just blending this and using a darker shade in outer corner really lifts your eyes. So I'm going in with the lightest shade white from the palette and I'm highlighting my brow bone. This really helps to give that lift to your eyes. And once you remove the tape, you can see how beautiful it's looking. And just blend all the shades together with a clean blending brush just to avoid any patchiness. For next step, if you want, you can use a concealer to create half cut crease, but I want to keep things shorter and easier for everyone. So I'm just going in with the shimmer shade from the palette. It's a silver shimmer, and just using my finger, I'm packing the shimmer on my eyelid. You can use brush as well, but make sure to wet the brush before applying the shimmer. Next, I'm going to take the same brown shades which I used in my upper lid. I'm going to use in my lower lid and just blend upper lid and lower lid together. And from inner corner till middle of lower lid, I'm using shimmer shade. And for my under eye, I am using nude pencil. It's really pretty. It goes well with the eyes. It keeps your eyes open. So overall, this is the final look. I hope you had fun watching this mini tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. Till then, I will see you in next video.